Coronavirus has affected the world in a very serious and alarming way. Millions of people have lost their jobs and health systems are overwhelmed because of health crisis. Hundreds of thousands of people have lost their lives and people are mentally depressed while being isolated and locked in their homes or cities. With all these facts, it may sound insane to explore the positives of coronavirus, but you will be surprised that a number of positive effects are there. So, it's not all doomed. Before start, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so that we can keep you updated about our new videos. Let's move to the positive. According to CNN report, many cities of world exceeds the air pollution safe limit defined by World Health Organization by more than 500%. Air pollution and poor air led to a lot of lung and respiratory diseases, which result in a great burden on health and economic system. For instance, to breathe in Delhi's air few months ago was like to smoke 6 cigarettes per day. Because of lockdown, traffic, airlines, construction and production companies have been shut down and therefore much lesser waste and gases are generated. Similarly, due to less demand for electricity, lesser number of power plants are in operation, adding much less amount of carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and other toxic elements in atmosphere. Let's see the positive impacts on air quality. World's most polluted city, New Delhi, has observed 60% reduction in air pollution during March 23rd to April 13th, a period of 3 weeks, and for the first time, people of India can see Himalayan mountains because of less air pollution. On the other hand, Wuhan, the city from where virus originated, has enjoyed a reduction of 44% in air pollution from period of February 26 to March 18. You can see the difference between upper and lower three figures, which shows significant reduction in nitrogen dioxide levels. Similarly, Los Angeles also observed 31% reduction in air pollution in first few weeks of lockdown. Residents of Washington are enjoying the clean air as well, where air quality index has been improved from over 200 to less than 50, which shows that air pollution has reduced by a significant amount. Not only this, animals are also getting a relief. It seems Mother Nature is taking a break and healing the earth. Rivers are experiencing much lesser waste and pollution now, and creatures living in sea and rivers must be so happy these days. Endangered olive ridley sea turtles have come ashore to lay eggs along the coast of eastern state of Odisha, which could have not been possible without a lockdown and with a lot of people at the beach. Cloudy and dirty canals and rivers have been transformed in crystal clear see-through waters, enough to see fish swimming below in rivers of Dubai, Italy, Egypt, and other different parts of the world. Healthy lifestyle. We all know that it is a hard time to be locked at home as it is developing depression and anxiety. But during this lockdown, medical researchers and staff regularly motivated individuals to wash hands and keep yourself and environment clean. Besides this, people are using a lot of fruits to make their immune system stronger. Many experts urge people to increase physical fitness as it has a strong relation with your immune system which help you to fight any disease. As a result, many people have changed their lifestyle in accordance with the guidelines given by doctors and medical researchers. It will be a really good initiative to be carried on. Family gatherings. The decision to stay home has also positive effects on families, as family members are staying all time at home who used to meet by chance. This is reinforcing family ties and helping to bring family members together in this hard time. Local industry and online businesses. Due to impossible supply chains in this hard time, local industry is striving its best to meet for society needs. Thus, it is a great chance for local industries to grow. People from different sectors have started to participate in bringing solutions to various problems, like making ventilators, cheap sanitizers, and testing kits by innovative ideas. This has really mobilized people to act as a society. If we talk about online businesses, about 1 in every 5 are using online services to have food items in USA. Amazon and online companies have to hire new staff to meet the growing demand. To conclude, it appears that Mother Nature has reacted to all the destructive actions taken by humans on Earth and providing a relief to our planet and natural ecosystem. Before this era of technology, nations and countries with great minds came to an end, which can only be seen now in ancient sites. It gives us a strong message in this hard time that no matter how much advanced the world is today, the future is uncertain and we are not confident about it.